you and welcome to our school, okay?
Thank
Yes,
you.
all right. Now, let's start with our lesson. Are you ready?
Hi, ready?
Good, ganbate. Okay.
Yes,
So,
thank you.
yes, you're welcome. Now, you choose grammar entry number 13. Is this
Yes.
correct? Okay, good. Now, please
Mhm.
repeat after me. Do you have spices?
Do you have spices?
Good. Okay. Now, please check today's goal.
Okay. To be able to ask and answer if someone had something.
Yes. Now, this time, let's have today's phrase. Please repeat after me twice. Do you have spices?
Do you have spices?
Do you have spices?
Do you have spices?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Very good. Okay. Now, this time, let's have the words and expressions. Okay. Please check the directions first.
Okay. Listen and repeat after your teacher.
Good. Now let's try. Let's listen to the US pronunciation first, okay? And here is it.
Knife.
Knife.
Yes. A usually sharp blade attached to a handle that is used for cutting or as a weapon. Example: do you have a small knife?
Do you have a small knife?
Good. Next word. Here is it.
Over there.
Over there.
In a place a short distance away from you or in another country. Example: what are you doing over there?
What are you doing over there?
Okay, now let's have the next word, and here is it.
Some.
Some.
Of an unspecified amount or number. Example sentence: we have some chicken.
We have some chicken.
Okay, next word, and here is it.
Spice.
Spice.
A substance that is used in cooking to add flavor to food and that comes from a dried plant. Example: I have spices.
I have spices.
Good. Let's go to the next word in here, or the next phrase, and here is it.
What happened?
What happened?
This is used when you want to ask other people what occurred or took place. Example: what happened?
What happened?
Good. Now let's have the next word. Here is it.
Pot.
Pot.
This is a deep round container that is used for cooking. Example sentence: I don't have any pots.
I don't have any pot.
Good. Now let's go to the last word, and here is it.
Cutting board.
Cutting board.
Good. A wooden or plastic board in which foods such as meats and vegetables are cut. I don't have a cutting board.
I don't have a cutting board.
Very good. Do you have any questions?
No, so far. Thank you.
Good job. Now let's proceed and go to the short conversation. Okay? Please check the direction first.
Okay. Lead the following conversation with your teacher.
Okay. Now this time, at first, we are going to listen to the audio. Okay? Yes. Okay.
Mhm.
Here you
Okay.
go. Three, two, one, and go.
Layla, who's in the kitchen, is asking a question to her mother, who's in the living room.
Mom, do you have a small knife?
A knife? What are you doing over there?
Dad and I are making curry.
Oh, okay. Do you have vegetables and meat?
Yes, we have potatoes, carrots, 3 onions, and some chicken.
Good. Here's a small knife. Do you have spices?
Yeah, we do. And oh no,
What happened?
we don't have pots and a cutting board.
Okay. Did you hear it well?
Yeah.
That's great. Good job. Now, this time, I would like you to please repeat after me. Okay? Let's have the situation first. Layla, who's in the kitchen, is asking a question to her mother, who's in the living room.
Rhea, who's in the kitchen, is asking a question to her mother, who's in the living room.
Mom, do you have a small knife?
Mom, do you have a small knife?
A knife? What are you doing over there?
A knife? What are you doing over there?
Dad and I are making curry.
Dad and I are making curry.
Oh, okay. Do you have vegetables and meat?
Oh, okay. Do you have vegetables and meat?
Okay, again, do you have vegetables and meat?
Do you have vegetables and meat?
Yes, we have potatoes, carrots, 3 onions, and some chicken.
Yes, we have potatoes, carrots, 3 onions, and some chicken.
Good. Here is the small knife. Do you have spices?
Good. Here is a small knife. Do you have spices?
Yeah, we do. And oh no!
Yeah, we do. And oh no,
What happened?
what happened?
We don't have pots and a cutting board.
We don't have pot and a cutting board.
Very good. Good job. You were able to follow me. Now, this time, let's have a role play. I will be Layla, and you are the mother. Okay? Yes.
Okay.
So I will read the situation first. Okay? Here you go. Layla, who's in the kitchen, is asking a question to her mother, who's in the living room. Mom, do you have a small knife?
A knife? What are you doing over there?
Dad and I are making curry.
Oh, okay. Do you have vegetables and meat?
Yes, we have potatoes, carrots, 3 onions, and some chicken.
Good. Here is the small knife. Do you have spices?
Yeah, we do. And oh no,
What happened?
we don't have pots and a cutting board. Okay, that was good. Now let's switch rules this time. You are Layla. Please read the situation first. Okay,
Got
go.
it? Lara, who's in the kitchen, is asking a question to her mother, who's in the living room. Mom, do you have a small knife?
A knife? What are you doing over there?
Dad and I are making curry.
Oh, okay. Do you have vegetables and meat?
Yes, we have potatoes, carrots, 3 onions, and some chicken.
Good. Here is the small knife. Do you have spices?
Yeah, we do. And oh no,
Oh, what happened?
we don't have pot and a cutting board.
Okay, that's great. Good job. Do you have any
Thank you.
question?
No, so far, thank you.
Okay. So again, let's have this. What are you doing over there?
What are you doing over there?
Okay, good job. Now, since we are done and you don't have any questions, let's go to the question activity. Please check the
Okay,
directions first.
okay. Answer the following questions about the story.
Yes, I'll be asking you a question. Let's start with the first one. Do Layla and her father have vegetables for curry?
Yes, yes, they do.
Yes, they do. Okay, good. Next, does Layla's mother have a small knife?
Yes, she does.
Layla's mother only. Yes.
Yes, she do.
Okay, only Layla's mother, so you can just say yes, she
Ah,
does.
she does.
Again, okay, I'll ask you,
Yes,
does Layla's mother have a small knife?
yes, she does.
Okay, yes. Okay, sorry. You can say yes, she does.
Yes, she does.
Okay, right. Or yes, she does. Okay,
Ye-
could you say it
Yes, she
fast?
does.
Good. Next, number three. Do Layla and her father have a cutting board?
No, they don't.
Good job. Nice one. Very
Ah,
good.
thank
Yes.
you.
Now, this time, let's have the exercises. Could you please check the directions?
Okay, look at the following pictures and talk about what they have.
Good. Now, please answer my questions or try to ask me questions, okay? So, let's
Okay,
start. Let's have number one. Do they have a knife?
yes, they, yes, they do.
Yes, that is correct. Yes, they do. Okay. Next.
Cute.
Do they have a pot?
No, they doesn't.
Okay. They, many. So you can just say, no, they don't.
Don't.
Yeah.
No, they don't.
Yes, no, they don't. Okay.
Okay.
Next,
Uh,
number three.
do
Make a,
do they have a vegetables?
one more time.
Do they have a vegetable?
Okay. Yeah. But if you want to ask, okay, a lot, okay, or with plural,
Uh,
do they have vegetables?
do you have the vegetables?
Okay. So could you say it this way? Do do they have vegetables?
Do they have vegetables?
Yeah. So you can use this one, okay?
Okay.
Right. Then I will answer, yes, they do. Now let's go to number four. Please make a question.
Uh, do they have cutting board?
Again,
Do they have a cutting board?
that is correct. Very good. Yes, they do. Yes, they do.
Ah,
Okay,
thank
good job.
you.
Now let's go over to number two. Okay, I'll ask you first. Does the child have a great smile?
Yes, she does.
Again, yes.
Yes, she does.
Okay, yes, she does, right?
Yes, she does.
Okay, next. Does the mother have five crayons in her hand?
No, she don't. Doesn't.
Singular. Okay. No, she
No,
doesn't. Again.
doesn't. No, she doesn't.
Good. Next. Do they have many colorful pencils? Or do they have many colorful crayons?
Yes, they do.
Good job. Okay,
Thank
next.
you.
Yeah. Do they have three children?
No, they don't.
Good. Next, number two. Please make a question.
Do they have a sofa?
I'm sorry. Do they have?
Do they have a sofa?
Do they have a?
A sofa?
What do you mean by that?
Mm,
Sup, can you try to write it
do,
down in the chat box? Do they have? You mean sofa? Do you mean? Sorry, I
sofa?
heard suffer. Sorry. Do you mean sofa?
Sofa. Yes, yes,
Okay, it's okay.
sofa.
Do they have a sofa? Okay, or a
Do they,
couch?
A sofa.
Mm-hmm.
The sofa.
Mm-hmm.
With the
Yeah. Do they have a? Do they have a sofa?
a sofa.
Or do they have a
Ah, I
couch? It's
see. Oh, I
a
see.
sofa is
Mhm.
okay. Do they have a couch? It's also okay, right? Mm-hmm.
Mhm. Thank
Okay.
you.
One more time. Sofa.
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 Very good. Okay. So my answer, yes, they do. Okay. Again,
Mhm.
I will ask you, do they have a laptop computer?
Yes, they do.
Good job. Now let's go to number 4. Yes, May 1st. Does
Okay.
the lady have a handsome boyfriend?
Yes, it does.
Good job. Next, do they have a nice kitchen?
Yes. Yes, they do.
Okay, next, please make a question.
Okay. Uh, do they have a flower?
Do they have a flower? Okay, yes, but a lot. What if you will ask, you will use the plural
Mhm.
form? How will you say it?
Do they have the flowers?
Or you can say, do they have flowers?
Flowers.
Mhm. Again,
Okay. Do they have flowers?
okay. Yes, they do. All right.
Mm.
So that's it. Good. Do you have any questions?
No, but a little difficult.
A little difficult, but so far so good.
Yeah.
So far so good,
Um,
right?
yeah.
Yes. Okay, good. Now, since we are done with this, let's have the free conversation. Okay, please
Mhm.
check the direction.
Okay. Let's use the phrase and words you've learned during the lesson and
Okay,
talk about the following topics
freely.
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 Yes, okay. Now, I'll ask you number 1. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do. I
Oh,
have a sister.
you have a sister. How about
Yeah.
brother?
One,
No, one sister and no brother?
no brother.
Next, do you have a house?
Oh, no, I don't.
Okay. Do you have a friend?
Yes, I do.
Yes, you do. Does your friend have a family or a house?
Yes, she does.
Very good. Yes, she does.
Ah,
Okay. You did so well today. Yes. Yeah.
Thank
So I'm
you.
happy because we were able to finish the lesson. Okay. Yes. So don't forget the word sofa.
So far,
Yes.
okay.
Okay. The correct pronunciation. Don't forget. Okay. So,
Thank you.
any question?
And now, so far, thank you very
Yes.
much.
So we you only choose for a 20-minute lesson. So we don't have much time left. But I'm happy. You did so well. Just keep on studying.
Thank you.
Okay? Bye-bye for now.